This is a Commodore News Update.
Welcome to this Commodore News Update for Monday, March 13th. I'm Haley Workman. SOL writing tests for juniors and term grads start today and continue this week. Students should be sure to get plenty of rest. There are no athletic events this weekend, but the spring season kicks off today. Here's Sky Kidd in the control room with today's upcoming events.
Thanks, Haley. Today, the girls' tennis team will be here at Maury playing against Lake Taylor, while the boys' tennis team match will be at Lake Taylor. Both matches begin at 3:30. Tomorrow, the JV baseball team takes on Greenbrier Christian here at Maury at 4:30. I'm Sky Kidd, back to you.
Thanks, Sky. Just a reminder, auditions for the talent show on March 31st will be held after school today and Wednesday. We can't wait to see all the talent here at Maury. Now here's what's happening at MHS. That's it for this Commodore News Update. I'm Haley Workman. Have a great day.
This has been a Commodore News Update.